Turn around. Where's Aunt Shannon?
It's your Aunt Shannon. Hi. I'm recording.
Oh, a video?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Say hi, baby.
He just wants me, like always. I'm going to show you this. We're going to order it and tell you how.
It's a race. We have to win.
So neat.
Okay, y'all. Drive safe. Buckle up. Don't do anything bad. No speeding. Watch out for icebergs, y'all. If you see a gator, don't jump in the water. That was fun. That 2 hour tour was so fun.
Where's Aunt
I was
Shannon?
out here Saturday.
Hi, Aunt Shannon.
Went home.
Hi. There you go.
Slow boat.
I don't know. I can do that too, little zombie.
You guys needed a paddle?
Hi. Yeehaw! Oh, I love boats.
I love boats.
So fun. Boats are fun. Good morning, internets, and welcome to another vlog from Topsail Island. Today we are going to the Sandbar. We rented 2 boats from Topsail Island Boat Rentals or something, topsailboatrentals.com, whatever it is. Apparently in North Carolina, you only need a driver's license to take out a boat, so we don't have to have a watercraft license. I know how to drive a boat because my grandpa taught me before he passed away. Praise his soul. And we have a couple of other captains here, so we're gonna get out to the Sandbar and hang out with the little kids. It's a lot safer for kids to play out there. There's no wakes. Hopefully there's no sharks. Gotta tell you my story. And yeah, we're just gonna have a good time for today. We're gonna relax, ain't that right?
Ready?
Oh no!
It's definitely shallow.
Are we lost?
No, we're just not sure where they want to
Are
go.
we lost?
Our boat has about 3 times the horsepower.
Yeah, I know.
So everywhere we go, we get there 3 times as fast.
We gotta wait for the pontoon boat. Haley, what you doing?
Are you on the boat?
Are you having fun? Yeah. Who's on it now, Jillian? I think that's Keith. He's holding on really good.
Which one is it?
It's this, the one next to the turquoise one. Not the first one, but the next gray one. Correct.
You got it. Gray house.